I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ranch sauce at home without sour cream. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a good quality mayonnaise as the creamy base, along with some milk to achieve the perfect consistency. Don't forget fresh herbs like dill, chives, and parsley, which are essential for that classic ranch taste. A touch of garlic powder and onion powder will also add depth to your dressing. This recipe is surprisingly simple and delivers fantastic flavor. Now let's talk about those crucial flavor boosters. Garlic powder and onion powder are non-negotiable for authentic ranch. For an extra layer of savory goodness, a small dash of Worcestershire sauce works wonders. To balance the richness and add a bright, zesty kick, incorporate a little white vinegar or fresh lemon juice. Remember, seasoning is key, so don't be shy about tasting and adjusting as you go to suit your preference. Once you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to mix. In a medium bowl, combine the mayonnaise, milk, herbs, and all your seasonings. Whisk everything together until it's smooth and well combined. You can adjust the thickness by adding more milk for a thinner dressing or less for a thicker dip. For the best flavor, cover your homemade ranch and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows all the delicious flavors to meld together beautifully. Your delicious homemade ranch is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect as a dip for fresh vegetables, a dressing for your favorite salad, or even drizzled over chicken wings. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator, and it will stay fresh for up to 5 days. This recipe is so versatile and tastes much better than store-bought versions. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.